So welcome back to my YouTube channel for another series of weekly outlook. And as of last, I don't want to make this video too long. So as of last week, I talked about gold, um, reading this low, then give me a market structure shift to the upside, right? But as you can see, price just like open with a gap. Maybe I don't know. There might have been a manipulation here, or to be honest, I don't know how what happened last week because when I saw the gap on Sunday, right? So I was expecting price to come fill the gap, then push to the upside. So I was just like waiting for a sell, but I was too late. Price has already done like how many pips to the upside. I think I caught the buy here, right? So this was a break of structure and inducement to this side, then buy to the upside. Then I took another buy here. So currently I'm holding gold. Um, it's like how many pips? I think I took this trade on Thursday. Yeah, so it's like almost 500 pips. So you can see stock in profit. So currently my moving average is still below, and I think what I'll be looking for next week is a reaction on this breaker block or a reaction on this previous resistance zone. So turn to support, so to the upside. So this guy might be used as an inducement. Then what I'm looking at for gold next week. So I don't want to make this video too long. So I just want a reaction on this zone and to the upside, right? Else then break below this strong low, because this low was responsible for taking out this high. So that means it's a strong high. Sorry, strong low. So what I'm expecting price to do is to break below this low, then sell. If price is not going to respect this demand zone, right? This support zone. So I want price to take out this guy before selling. So yeah. So that's it for gold. I'm not looking. I'm not, because currently price is still very bullish. So I'm not looking for sales, because gold has been buying since last week. So it's it would be crazy for me to look for sales. Um, NAS100. Uh, remember I talked about price. NAS100 did exactly what I said. If you watch the previous video, I talked about price taking out the sell side before going up. You can see this was what I drew, right? So now price took out the sell side, right? Then you can see price respected this breaker block or a resistance down to support. So currently I'll be buying NAS100. I'll be buying NAS100 from here. So I think my stop loss will be like yeah. So for as of Monday, I'm already taking a buy on NAS100 to the upside. Then what am I seeing at BTC? BTC BTC almost got to 100k last week. So currently I'll be looking at this demand zone here, right? So I'm expecting price to come back to this zone, then to the upside. But I'm still skeptical about the whole thing because my moving average is coming across above the current market price. So let's just see, keep my fingers crossed. Although I'm already on the BTC, I think I bought here 94, I think, yeah. So that's it for BTC. I'm not like doing too much. I'm just respecting the market trend because overall market is bullish on gold, on BTC USD, on NAS100. You can see currently DXY is still bullish. So I don't know. Let me just see next week. Next week, I'm expecting a break, a shift in market structure. Maybe a break here and a retest, then to the downside. Else, maybe DXY might still be bullish. I don't know, but what I'm expecting price to do is to break and retest. So I don't, I don't want to do too much for next week because currently the overall market trend for currencies is bullish. So BTC bullish, NAS100 bullish, gold bullish. So yeah, so that's it for this week. So trade safe, apply proper risk management, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.